What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Big shout out goes out to Meepo for reaching out to me and asking me to review one of their electric skateboards. This is the Envy model. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this thing, showing you what comes inside the box, and then we'll talk about some of the specs of this electric skateboard. Let's get started. So this is what comes inside the box. Pretty large board. We're gonna go over all the specs in a little bit, but it's a pretty big concave board. Very good packaging. I can already see the belt drive over here. Pretty interesting. This thing looks pretty sick. So this is with the board removed. Looks like we got the manual over here. We'll put that on the side. This is some extra bushing. Then we have this cool multi-tool. Interesting, very nice. Looks pretty sturdy. We have an extra belt. Okay. This is our charger. Pretty hefty charger. And this charger is 4.5 amps. And this must be the remote. Sweet looking remote with our throttle over here. On, off. Pretty cool. I think this is to charge the remote. And some sort of battery cable. I'm not sure what this is for. We'll check it out in a little bit. All right, let me move all this stuff so we can look at that board. All right, and there we have it. The Meepo Envy. Man, this thing is insane looking. Looks like very high quality. By the way, everything in the box was very well packaged. Very nice, really high quality. The grip on the board itself, just from touching it with my hands, very grippy. Very nice concave design. This thing is badass. The wheels are nice and soft, so I think you're gonna get a lot of traction with this thing. Let's check out the back side. So it looks like this is obviously the battery. This is the controller in the whole situation. There's dual motors on this thing and a belt drive. So this thing probably sounds really cool. And everything looks very sturdy and well built. The trucks and everything else seems very nice. So this is the board. Pretty sweet design, and everything looks very well built. As I mentioned earlier, these are the motors with the belts. This is our controller situation. This is where the lithium ion battery is. We have the 96A bushing installed, but you can change that with the additional ones provided. And again, very high quality on everything here. Underneath here, which you're supposed to remove this before riding, is our charging port for the battery and a battery percentage or a power display. So this battery seems 3/4 full. And over here, this is our on-off button. But before we do that, I want to link the remote to this. So this is what the remote looks like. We have our thumb, throttle, on, off, and I think this is to switch between modes. But let's see, they're saying 7 seconds on the board to enter pairing mode and 5 seconds on the remote. Okay, board type. Motor type, remote pairing, All right, remote paired. Now we get to choose the unit system. We're gonna do mile per hour. Wheel diameter is 90, which is what it's on. Drive ratio is 2:1. And motor pole pairs is 7 on the belt version, which is what we have. All right, and we are in. Let's give it a little test. Oh man, this thing looks insane, guys. And the sound it makes is crazy. That is badass. The dual motor situation here is insane. So there's 4 modes. Mode 1, which will give us about 9 miles an hour. Mode 2. About 19 miles an hour. Mode 3. 28. And mode 4. Is about 31 miles an hour. That is absolutely insane. And another thing that I just discovered is when you turn this thing off, it actually controls the board as well, which is kind of nice if you have this in your pocket and you don't have to reach underneath the board every time and hit that. So same thing when you turn it on. It's a few seconds of a hold and it syncs right away and turns the board on. That is pretty neat. It also remembers your last setting. So if you're on speed mode 4, it will go back to speed mode 4. Pretty cool. Wow, guys, this thing is absolutely insane. Just the sound the motor makes, the dual motors, and the bell drive, pretty crazy. But let's talk about some of the specs. So what we got here is the Meepo Envy NLS 3 electric skateboard. It has dual belt-driven 2,519 watt motors coupled with a 12S 2P Molicel P42A battery for a range of up to 24 miles, depending on riding conditions, of course. We have 90mm polyurethane wheels with a 60mm traction section, 8-inch RKP trucks at a 50-degree angle for comfort on various terrains. This board also has adjustable bushings. It comes with 96A and you get an extra set of 100A. The flexible deck is made out of 2-ply bamboo plus 2-ply fiberglass. The total weight of this board is 21.4 pounds with a max load capacity of 330 pounds. All right, guys, and that was pretty much it for the specs. Now, as far as the price of this electric skateboard, it's usually $699, but if I'm not mistaken, it's going for $649 right now. Check out the description below. I will have a link to this beautiful skateboard if you're interested, of course, and I might have a discount code for you. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that is pretty much it for this review. My name is Tom. This has been the Meepo Envy NLS 3 electric skateboard. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.